In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fetch live web data in Hermes Agent. First, open Hermes Agent and click on Skills and Tools from the left-hand menu. Next, make sure any web search, browser, or internet access tools you plan to use are enabled. Once your tools are enabled, start a new session and ask Hermes Agent a question that requires current information. For example, you could ask for the latest AI news, recent market updates, or current information about a company or topic. Hermes Agent will use its available web access tools to search for relevant information and retrieve live data from online sources. The agent will then analyze the results and provide a response based on the information it finds. This is especially useful when you need information that changes frequently or isn't included in the model's existing knowledge. And that's it. You've successfully used Hermes Agent to fetch live web data and get up-to-date information directly from the internet. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.